I don't know, but this dog is after these mozzarella sticks. I can tell you that. I don't know if he can have any or not.
No, I didn't know that place was in here yesterday.
It
Was
was.
I,
It
was I
was.
covered up?
Yeah, you were just sleeping, and he come through the door and walk into the door, and I was like, "What in the hell is he doing?"
Where's Terrell?
Right behind him. And he said, I got my cameras up already. And he was looking at me winking. I was like, who in the hell is this?
Who was winking?
The cop. I don't know who he was. I ain't never seen him before.
That guy?
Yeah, a big guy, but he was.
That guy come up here at night with them bulletproof cops?
No, it wasn't none of them. Okay, this is Cujo. He's looking for food. We babysitting. Hello. No, he got mad when I was putting up video on Facebook. No, I figured I'd stay here. He don't need me riding around with him everywhere.
When Tonio goes, I wouldn't go.
No.
They need some fathers.
Next time, that's what I said. Yeah. That's what I told Mom and Danny. They said, well, why didn't you go to the game? And I said, well, they need to go when they went to that playoff game.
Bond.
Yeah, they need to bond.
They ain't got no relationship
Mm-mm.
at all. That's why I don't go nowhere when they go. I just stay here.
Yeah.
To give them time. Maybe they can make a
Cujo, come here. Come here. Oh. Yeah, Chris Woods wants me to go live again.
But playing music?
Yeah, on Facebook. I just, you know what I did? I blocked Terrell from seeing it on the Oh, God. He'll be all right. It ain't bothering nobody.
Y'all tell Darnell he looked good today. Say, you really look good today.
I swear he was walking up through there, Patrick. I thought I was going to die. And Terrell said, look at Darnell.
You look like a damn hobo.
He said, look at Darnell. He looks like a lawyer. And he rolled the window down and said, Darnell, you ain't no lawyer. And Darnell said, what are you doing? And he was just laughing and carrying on. And then Terrell said he goes over there to McAdoo's and thinks he's going to get some W&L girls over there. But yeah, he had North Carolina color on.
That jacket.
Yeah, that jacket.
He bought that wear to church. It's a jacket you wear to church.
Yeah, that is nice. And then, but underneath it, he had
orange Virginia.
He had orange Virginia shirt and then the Eagles hat because he was pulling. I think he was pulling for them for the Super Bowl.
I tell you what, man, Dakota better watch getting down there and stop him.
I know that's why. That's why I didn't go. Cujo.